Gymshark Training Honest Review. Watch before using. Gymshark Training is a fitness app that promises to elevate your workouts with expert-led programs, personalized training plans, and a sleek, user-friendly interface. Designed for both beginners and seasoned athletes, Gymshark Training offers a wide range of workout routines focusing on strength, conditioning, flexibility, and even mindfulness. The app features workout categories tailored to your fitness level, from bodyweight exercises to gym-based routines, making it versatile for any training environment. It also provides step-by-step video tutorials, ensuring you're doing exercises correctly for maximum benefit. One standout feature is the ability to create custom workout plans based on your goals, whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose fat, or improve overall fitness. The app's integration with wearable devices like Apple Watch enhances your experience by tracking your progress in real time. Plus, it offers progress tracking, helping you see tangible improvements over time. Now, let's talk about the pros. Gymshark Training delivers a quality, engaging workout experience with access to hundreds of workouts designed by fitness professionals. The programs are well-structured, with easy-to-follow instructions and the option to modify exercises if needed, which is excellent for users at all fitness levels. Whether you're looking to build muscle, increase endurance, or simply stay active, this app provides plenty of options to keep your routines varied and challenging. The intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze, and the aesthetic design gives it a modern, clean feel. Also, the community aspect is strong, allowing users to connect and share their fitness journeys. However, no app is without flaws. One downside is the limited free content. While Gymshark Training offers a free trial, the majority of the high-quality programs are behind a paywall. This could be a deal breaker for some users who expect more from the free version. Additionally, although the app is beginner-friendly, some users might find the lack of in-depth customization options for workout plans a bit restrictive if they want a highly personalized approach beyond what's offered. In conclusion, Gymshark Training is a solid choice for those looking for structured, professional-grade workouts with a clean, modern interface. It's ideal for individuals who are serious about reaching their fitness goals and willing to invest in a paid plan for comprehensive content. If you're looking for variety, expert guidance, and a community, Gymshark Training is worth considering, but be prepared to pay for access to its best features.